Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going to be going into yet another tutorial. As you can see, I already did my foundation and eyebrows. I literally just came back from the store, so that's why. And I also already put down my eyeshadow base, which is this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond. So now I'm just going to be going in with this Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright palette. I always have so much trouble saying that, I don't know why. So first I'm going to be going in with the shade Reckless. Now I'm going to kind of blend that a little upwards, just so we don't have that harsh kind of line when I try to blend colors into it. So now I'm going to be going in with this green shade called Trendsetter. And I'm just going to be patting that down in a wing shape on the rest of my eyelid. So now I'm just going to be going in with the shade Fruit Punch. And I'm going to be blending that into the purple. Just going to be blending out that green with this shade called Green Juice. Blended out, I'm just going to be cleaning off the excess eyeshadow off my lid so I can cut the crease. For that, I'm going to be using some Garnier micellar water and this flat brush. Excess eyeshadow off the lid, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease with this LA Girl Pro Concealer and a flat brush, the same one that I just used. So now after that, I'm going to let the concealer dry just a little bit, because I know that if I start to pat down pigments or glitters or anything like that, the concealer will transfer. So I just let it dry for a good 30 to 45 seconds before I apply any type of pigment on top. I'm going to be going in with Green Juice. And I'm going to be patting that down on the lid. So now I'm just going to be blending in the crease into my eyeshadows. So first I'm just going to be going back in with the purple shade Reckless and just blending it on that side. Then I'm going to be going back over that purple with Fruit Punch, the pink shade. Now I'm just going to be blending it in on the green side. Alright guys, so now after that, I'm just going to be repeating the same process that I did on the top of my eye for the bottom of my eye, except for the cut crease, of course. Once that's done, you already know the drill. We're just going to be going in with some lashes. Going to be using these lashes. I'll leave a link to them in the description. As you can see, I finished the other eye and I added some highlight. And now we have our final look. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be posting videos every single week, so just stay tuned for that. And I'm going to be adding in some close-ups so you can see how the look turned out. Thank you so much for watching.